Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on and off auto rotate in a oppo phone. So let us start our video. You have to see here there was many different app icons shown in your mobile phone. So you have to move up and see there was many different app icons shown in your mobile phone like that. You have to see here, you have to move up and see there was many different app icons shown in your mobile phone. So you have to firstly click on that setting icon. You have to click on that, and then you have see here many more options which you have seen in your mobile phone. So you have to scroll down and firstly click on the firstly display and brightness option. So you have to see here there was many different options. Click on the display and brightness option, then you have to see here many more options like that. So you have to click on the auto rotate option which is already off in your mobile phone. If you want to on auto rotate, so click on that right side. So it means that now your mobile phone screen is automatically rotate when you turn your mobile phone. In this way auto rotate is on, and if you want to off auto rotate, so click on here. So it means that when you have to rotate your mobile phone, your screen doesn't rotate it automatically. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have any query regarding any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us. Thank you so much for watching our video. We will meet you soon with next video.